to another video. So today we are going to Mount Charleston McWilliams Campground. We got the wifey over here sitting. Kasama natin sila Hayes, kaya mga bata kasama natin. We'll be cooking, camping, and we'll take you guys over there. Itong spot na to, usually itong pinupuntahan ng mga tiga Vegas to escape yung heat. They usually come up the mountain para mag-cool down. Kaya weather din sa sa taas.
Pag-akit natin is 72 pagdating natin dun. And then it's gonna drop to like 56.
Woo! Pwede rin ako yung diesel liter, ginawin itong kasama ko eh.
Sa akin sinabi mo sa akin, nagdala rin ako.
Yung dalawa yung lang sleeping bags.
Warm-blooded itong kasama ko eh.
Bakit? Hindi nga sila ginigil. Di ba pag naliligo sa Davis Camp, okay lang sila eh.
58 mga sweater. And then about sa mga 63. Alas 10 medya, alas 11:60. Ang palo na 50 na mga 11:30.
Na time, lasing na tayo. Tapos na siguro tayo dun.
Inam ka na naman.
Konti lang ininom ko, siguro nakaano lang ako. 6 na vodka soda.
Pagkaraan ng 3.9 milya. Kumaliwa.
Alright, we made it over here. Nasa campsite na tayo, McWilliams. Dito na tayo. Kasama natin mga kids. Woo! So guys, what's up? What's up, Presley? What's up? What's up?
Oy pare.
Dito naman tayo, another video.
Anong balita? Welcome back to Philippines, huh?
Yep.
Or welcome back from Philippines.
Welcome back from the Philippines. Baliktad actually. So dito kami, yeah. We'll be camping, cooking, and we will show you guys. Give you guys a little bit of a tour. Yeah, kaya muna tayo. Sarap ng pwesto mo dyan ah. Yeah. Oops.
Doon, di walang internet.
So usually we got our sleeping bags para just in case na ginawin kami sleeping bag. Kaya magkakwentuhan nga tayo dapat.
Hindi ko kaya to, walang internet. Hindi ko kaya.
Ganda na weather. Siguro probably like what, high 70s right now.
Wala, nagpa-order akong kimchi fried rice.
Ah?
Yeah. Next time.
Muna tayo. Palamig muna tayo ng ano natin. Tapos Haze Wonder. At para sa akin, siyempre. Sir, palamig ka muna, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Yep. Palamig muna. Ayaw niya ng Red Horse eh.
Miller Lite, baka naman.
Yeah, sponsored.
Mm.
Yes, sir. So, ito, palamig muna tayo niyan. Hello.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, which is 5 days out
Ito
of the
tayo
week.
ng kanin.
Baka may laman sa loob ko eh.
Dapat tikman natin to, bigyan ni Bayorapi to eh. Testing. Let's try this out. Kahit isa lang. Woo! Yun o, tingnan mo. Natin isa.
What's our drink sponsor?
Special from Philippines Tanduay Superior.
Oh.
Ano to? Limited edition daw siya eh. Tingnan mo. Year the Daga of the Rat.
Year of the rat. And there's probably rat in it. It's like rat piss.
Yeah. So we try it out. Natin. Yeah. Alright.
Oh. Randy says I'm stalling, so.
Let's try it.
Okay, let's try it.
Pero bango siya eh.
Superior.
I know, Superior. Tanduay.
Woo!
Lakas nito.
Did you hear? Did you see my handshake?
Parang banayag whiskey. Cheers. Not bad. Not bad naman. Pero minsan, sa huli yung tama niyan eh. Diba?
Kala ka ba hindi ka na umiinom?
Yeah. Dami yung dinala mo, bad influence.
Woo!
Randy's a bad influence. It had that scary stage opening handle. It saved the gun. It comes down to it.
Yeah, we got Haze Wonder, chef in the house. Whoop, whoop.
Shout out to Relisa for sponsoring us.
Kahit wala siya dito, ano? Ito eh.
Boom, boom, boom.
I just want to eat
Try?
some. Yeah, I want to try some of that pork belly.
There you go.
Thank you. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Ha?
Paano hindi ka nahihirapan?
Oo. Yeah. Pork belly.
Me neither. So good.
Soul hurt and fire and ice. Raindrops, teardrops, a good old cry. Daytime and nighttime, the light makes me blind. Life leaves scars.
Okay. Ano man mag-ano mo yan, magsisiseasoning na yan. Umunahin natin. Kahit ano, no? Salt and pepper na to. Oh, yeah. Yun, no? Tapos himas-himasin, siyempre.
Yeah. DJ. Ito, kawawa naman, tinipid.
Where's like the chicken?
Wait, like the chicken.
Siyempre lalagyan natin ng line para maganda.
I'm only gonna do the first level.
There's no smoke. So you just want smoke here?
Pwede, tayo natin tong ano. Ribeye steak natin. Kung pinapagod namin yung mga bata para pag gumabi na, tulog na sila. Siyempre.
Boom.
Sheesh!
Let's say it's a boat that we're all in together, that barely stays afloat while we all discuss the weather. How long can we all go on before we change our ways?
Ano, pahingi din ng s'mores. Patikim din, patikim. Siyempre, hingi din ako. Patikim. Oh. S'mores time.
10 out of 10.
Morning everyone. It's the next day now. Maaga na. Yes, kape muna. Morning.
Morning.
Morning everyone. Morning.
Morning.
Sakit pala madapa kagabi. I ate shit. Nalaglag.
Is that good enough?
Alright, so we're gonna start. Ano, magpapak na tayo niyan. Babalik na tayo sa Vegas. Ganda ng spot na to. Usually, malamig siya sa gabi. Sa umaga, it's like nice weather. McWilliams. You guys can have your tent there. Tapos dalawang parkings. Tol kayaw. 1, 2. Ayan. And you got your table. Fire pit. So, may breeze. Table. Pwede kayo mag-ihaw dyan. Ito po. Tapos like $25 a night. Ganda siya. Okay guys, tatapusin ko na itong vlog natin. Next time ulit, we'll see you guys on our next video. Chua!